So hi everyone, this is the second part for the freedom to make choices dashboard. I didn't want to take time in the last video, so I had made some progress the on the on the ranking. So what happened while we're doing the other video? 1 second. What happened while we're doing the other video? We had yes, freedom being choices. So we had a ranking beside the country name and the percentage of freedom. So what we're going to do now is I'll show you how I got to resolve it. So I created a calculated field. The previous video we used a index which did not work. So I later tried ranking. So what we did now, we now ranked the freedom to make choices field. And if you look at the preview here, you would see the the value and the rank of the value. So if we come to our 1 second, I'll like to rearrange this. So if we come to our dashboard here on Tableau Public, you would see that Nigeria is ranked 91 with 76% freedom. So if we come here and look for now Nigeria, you can see it's ranked 91. That's the position, and the freedom level is 75.8, 5.96. So what we did on the fields section, we had our freedom level on location color. We had our country name on locations field, and tooltip we had position. So that the position allows for put this on the side. So the position allows for the ranking to show. There's a calculated field trade shows. So also remember in the last video we talked about Mapbox and how to connect Mapbox API to Cognos. This was video 8 years ago, but when he made the video, he talked about the feature going to be introduced much later, and now it has been introduced into Cognos. So you can see right here that Mapbox is powering the map object for IBM Cognos. And also you can see our legend for the freedom level having various colors. So if you come to the properties, visualization, legend, let's go to our regions layer. So we can create, this is the current heat palette. We can create another heat palette. So how did I create this heat palette? This heat palette I created here, I created it using, so let's say, let's give it a name. Let's create our heat palette. Let's call it custom. So we can call the names that we want to use. We can call custom blue to to red. So how about 7, 6 to 7? So we have the dark blue, add the swatch. We're going higher, we add the swatch. So we want it to red, so we could come in to yellow, dark yellow, orange, and have our red. Then we create it. Have a dark red. Okay, we can't go beyond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. We can't go beyond 8. Then we create. Then I have a custom palette, blue to red. We can change our heat palette to our black shape palette. That's what we have. So also remember we are choosing our legend to be on the lower end. Also, we can change the look of and the position of our tab. So if we come to, let's go to general. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. Let's save our work. Yes. Under appearance, where I could change the tab. Just 4 elements. We have the tab color, we have the okay, so this is its dashboard properties. So when you select it, you can change tab labels properties. So show tabs in preview, can disable tab in preview, can show tab in preview. Have our tab position button, have it on the right, have it on the left, and have it on top. Right, just kind of like the new style being on the bottom. So the title color, you can see is green. The selected bar color, I made it yellow. Fill color, change the fill color, something that have a contrast with our text. Let's use the light. We can have individual tab styling. So we can have, let's say we have, create a new tab. Let's create another just for, so we can go to tab 1 and style tab 1, give it a color, give it a background color, fill color, and go to tab 2, use a color. So we can just see how whatever is selected, the properties pop up on the side. Or even on our canvas, we can control what we see on our canvas. We can control background, we can control the filter panel, the footer. So all of this is just customizing how we see what we're seeing on the dashboard. So I think so far we have something close to what we have. Okay, we can take out the base. We have our map base. So let's see. Let's leave the map base as a light. And the map itself. Settings. The regions layer, we could change it to we know how we got this. System at defaults. So I think what we have here mostly works for us. The legend title, disable legend title, font color, legend labels, legend font color. We have it already. So I think for Cognos, what's on the chat affects the legend. Let's undo. Thank you very much. That's the end for this second part for the freedom to make life choices map chat. Thank you.